Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Here's the fuel filter on a 1996 Lexus 300. Lexus SC300 Lexus. This is the driver's side rear wheel right here, so it's tucked underneath here. We got a 10mm bolt right here. And we got 14mm lines. I recommend using the proper wrench, line wrenches, flare nut wrenches. 14mm for this, and probably 16 or 17 for that. I'll double check it, and it's left to loosen, right to tighten. So we'll be going counterclockwise, turn over here, counterclockwise, and counterclockwise to loosen that up. And be careful, there will be gas coming out of here. Usually break them loose and let the gas drip out as best you can. And then you'll have a little container down there. That's the way I usually do it. So we're going to loosen these things up. A little gas shot out. Same over here. Ooh, tougher with one hand for sure. See if it'll break loose. If they don't break loose, then maybe use a little spray penetrant first before you round them, but that's why it's a good idea to use a nice line wrench, good quality, made in America, maybe Craftsman, Snap-on Mac, Matco, some of those, but the China stuff, not very good. So got those loose. We're going to turn them off the rest of the way, and we'll take this off and we'll slide it off and out. So you can see the gas is flowing out pretty good. I did take the gas cap off. That usually helps stop the flow of fuel, but not on this one. So got the 10mm bolt. I'm just going to keep taking these screws out, and then we'll get the fuel filter out. It's pretty easy. Pop the new one in the same spot, and always start these by hand. Don't use a wrench. Start them by hand, 2 or 3 turns at least. So that's where we're at with this. Alright, so got it tight. So here's our wrenches and our tools. 14mm, 14mm, 19mm. 14, 19, 14, and 10mm on a little gun. I can tell you the gas never stopped flowing, so very messy. So maybe that's a sign that you don't want to try it. I don't know why. Usually taking the gas cap off helps eliminate fuel from continually flowing. Maybe the gas tank is totally full, or maybe just bad luck. So hope this helps you when replacing your fuel filter. It's right back here. 10mm, 14mm, 19mm, at least on my filter. And use a flare nut wrench, a line wrench, to break those loose. They were kind of stiff, so Toyotas do seem to have a problem actually with fuel lines being hard to get off and get on. So good luck to you on your 1996 and other model years SC300 Lexus.